Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hilaban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hilaru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu kandai pra.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela rakam sangma haka khatsan tarik unaitung arajar arpulai ula pentip baka Sarkar Jela kala thau ya ka State Education Commission ka basangut kidkhot ya ka ba on clear da ka Professor Sherwin Sungoh ka balong ka head jong ka Education Department ka school ba Northeastern Hill University kum ka Chairperson. Kiway pat kidkhot ki kintup yaw Chairman Barim jong Union Public Service Commission u Professor David Reeds Emily, but u Executive Chairman Barim jong Meghalaya Board of School Education u Tony TC Marak kum ki advisors, katbau Secretary jong Ketenat Pulih Putih u Ambrose Marak unlong kum u Member Secretary. Nalor kini ka Sarkar kala thungru saya khat arngut ki principal jong ki school but ki college, but kuntup ru yakin nong hikai school but college kum kidkhot. Kakendon trekam jongane ka komiti kalong ban ai jingmut ya ka Sarkar Jela hagabaya dei but ki jing bagi school but ki college ki kendo but kumjo ru halor ka jingsiu tulop sya ki nong hikai but ki wei de ki jingdon kam.
The government of Meghalaya Education Department, we understand the lot of challenges that has been inherited for the past many years, and the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, and with a mission and objective to take forward this sector for the greater interest. And because if we want to move forward, the education of any government, education department of any nation should grow, and that should be on the highest priority. With that note, the government of Meghalaya, the cabinet has already decided to set up the Meghalaya Education Commission in 2022, having 4 members to look after all these issues and to study, to assess and to advise the government with certain recommendation and a certain suggestion with respect to the school curriculum, school administration, categorization of certain school teacher, and to advise and to recommend to the government, and also to recommend concrete solution and strategic intervention and policy decision for ushering reform in the schools and higher education system from the perspective of the NEP 2020 and fulfilling its various principles and articulation. And also to study the existing gap situation, issues in depth, and the problem areas of the being faced in the education department, and to formal principle and guidelines that will streamline and improve the condition in the problem areas of the department, and to of that the Meghalaya state education policy to be in sync with the NEP 2020, and to recommend a policy change wherever applicable upon study of policy change proposal to be submitted by the state government or expert group or agency, and to discuss on way forward on the issues pertaining to the teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and to discuss and recommend and to advise the government in establishment of effective mechanism to ensure pay parity with regards to the salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to the government teacher, and to look into the management of aided schools and the colleges, their performance concerning general administrative functioning, operation and accountability of our school management committee. And the committee shall also look into all the major issues that are impacting the education sector in the state of Meghalaya and others. Therefore, after extensive search of the search committee and after looking for the best person, the experienced person, the academician, the administrator, and the one, so we have identified, and the panel has come up with the names for us, and the government has today would like to inform everybody the following four the expert members will be heading the Meghalaya State Education Commission that will be the asset for the state of Meghalaya and in general and to the education department in particular. So first, as a chairperson, the present Professor Sungoh, the Department of Education at Eastern Hill University, will be the chairperson of the committee, and Professor David Simley, former UFPC chairman, Government of Meghalaya, as a advisor who is a well academician and an experienced person of the state. And number 3, Sri Tony T.C.H. Marak, as a advisor school sector reform, retired IVS and a former executive chairman Meghalaya Board of School Education, Government of Meghalaya, and Sri Ambrose C.H. Marak, IAS Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya as a member secretary. And to assist them, we have another 12 members as a co-opted member of the commission. They are Dr. Mrs. C.A.R. Dingdo, retired CDC Nehu Silong, and Dr. Mrs. Vanessa Karmaplang, the principal CTE PGT Silong, Dr. Mrs. Nukme Salse Sheets Mormon, Professor, Northeastern Hill University, Tura campus, Sri P. Kringskai, retired Additional Director of School Education and Literacy Silong, and Dr. Charles Reuben Lingdo, Associate Professor, Synod College Silong, Sri Sangra E. Sangma, Associate Professor, Department of History, Don Bosco College, Tura, and Sri Rahul Chatterjee, Assistant Lecturer, Physics, Jail Road Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, and Brother Solomon Timoris, Principal, St. Edmund Catholic Christian Brother Institution, Shillong, Sri Richard Uria, the Principal, North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Jawai, Sri F.C. Sulai, retired primary school teacher, Polo, Shillong, and Sri Arun Wazri, the Principal, Shillong Public School, and Dr. Father Phillips Abraham S.J., the Principal, Loyola College and the Loyola Higher Secondary School, Williamnagar, East Areas. These are the 12 co-opted members to assist the commission.